Alright, up on the bench today for eBay. Got a General Lee. Pretty rough shape on the bezel. I gotta say, pretty rough shape. The faceplate looks good. I think it still has plastic over the original because I see dirt in the corner. Faceplate looks good, knobs look good, channel looks good. Meter is a little bit, I don't know, say bent or loose. I'm not sure. This is an early General Lee, I'd say. Let's see, it's got echo and talkback. I got the talkback off. I'm listening through a monitor radio. Got my scope probe here. We've got 7 watts. Yeah, you see the needle spin a little bit there. We got 7 watts on the high. About 2 watts on the low. Audio, 1, 2, 3. Audio, 1, 2, 3. Check, check. Same thing from low. It's had a swing mod done to it. I don't really like those, but everything is within factory spec. As long as you keep the mic gain about 3/4, you're not going to get any feedback or distortion. But swing mods are what they are. It came that way, and a lot of people like them. But it's like that reduced carrier stuff there, you know, even from 1 watt. Audio, 1, 2, audio. That's that swing mod everybody does with the diode there, but yeah, I could take it out, but I'm trying to get through all this stuff here, and it is in good shape. It does work. It does sound pretty good. Good power. Receives pretty good. Let's see here. The case is in good shape, just dirty. It is dual final, that's hence the 40 watts of peak. It's got a serial number on there. It looks like let's see what it says there. Looks like M01049959, made in Malaysia. But I mean, we're in good shape, other than the bezel is rough. The plastic part of the bezel. I guess if you get one of those kits or something, you could probably put a new bezel and new covers on here and maybe toss a new meter in. But it'll be priced accordingly for the condition that it's in. A little bit of Velcro on the top, but everything's good. Let me see if one of my buddies is out here. How about you, Cheezo? You still on the radio there, Cheezo? Doesn't come with a mic or anything. I'm just using one of my bench mics here. No bracket, no port or nothing, but you know, like I said, it's priced accordingly as is radio. Everything works. RF gain works. Noise bunker. High and low power. Talkback, like I said, if you keep this down, you can use your talkback. Maybe not with the internal speaker.
Audio?
Yeah, it's had the audio knob done to it, so it's awfully loud. In a truck, it won't be as bad. 10kc switch for going to the alpha channels. But channel knob works great. Everything works great. Just like I said, your meter's a little crooked there.
Trying to make some noise.
And a little bit loose. That'll be up on the store here in a minute. Later.